Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Cavewoman costume for women on the market, Smiffy's women's Cavewoman costume in a striking leopard print. Whether you're gearing up for Halloween, a themed party, or a carnival, this costume offers a blend of style, comfort, and authenticity that's hard to beat. The costume comes as a complete set including a tunic, belt, headpiece, and an armband. It's designed in a brown and black leopard print that captures that classic cavewoman look with a modern twist. The fabric is 100% polyester, which not only makes it lightweight but also ensures the costume drapes well, giving it a flattering fit for different body shapes. The material is durable enough for multiple uses, and while care instructions recommend dry cleaning, this helps maintain the costume's vibrant colors and overall quality. Sizes are thoughtfully offered in a range from small to extra large, catering to US sizes 6 through 20. This inclusive sizing ensures you can find the right fit whether you're looking for something snug or with a little extra room for comfort. The bust, waist, and hip measurements correspond closely with standard sizing charts, making it easier to choose your perfect size without guesswork. One of the standout features of this costume is the attention to detail. The armband and belt add authenticity, while the headpiece ties the entire look together seamlessly. Although the costume doesn't include accessories like a club, the main pieces are more than enough to embody that fierce, adventurous cavewoman vibe. The brand behind this costume, Smiffy's, is a well-established fancy dress supplier with a rich heritage spanning over 125 years. Their experience in costume design is evident in the construction and finish of this outfit. The product is rigorously tested to meet the latest EU and American safety standards, which means you can wear it with confidence whether you're attending a public event or a private gathering. Packaging is another area where Smiffy's excels. The costume always arrives in full branded packaging, ensuring it's well protected during shipping and adding a premium feel right out of the box. Overall, this Smiffy's Cavewoman costume offers excellent value for its price range. It balances a playful, eye-catching design with practical features like comfortable fabric and a range of sizes. Whether you're dressing up for fun or looking to impress at your next costume party, this outfit delivers an authentic and stylish look that stands out. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more detailed product insights, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you next time.